All right, beauty besties. This season, I am seeing a major shift towards bright, colorful, and textured vibes. It's like the makeup gods have decided to make our back-to-school looks anything but boring, and honestly, I'm here for it. Whew, it's getting hot in here. No, literally. I'm on fire with this new fiery eyeshadow look using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. Inspired by all those apocalyptic movies we've been binging, this palette is going to make you slay harder than the world ending. I am so in love with the most striking beauty trend this fall, the bold, compassion red gel liner. It's everywhere. The ultimate statement that's unapologetically fiery and fun is back. Blend, blend, blend. That's the key, babes. And don't forget to really smoke out those lower lash lines with the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes gel liner. We want maximum intensity, like the world is literally ending. Seriously, this look is about to take your glam game to a whole new level. Ooh, yes, that's the good stuff. Want to amp it up? Pair this with a killer red lip using the Glossier Generation G lipstick in Zip, and you're ready to take on the end of days in style. This is my go-to lip pick, and honestly, this lipstick is a total game changer. The ultra-gliding formula is so smooth, and it feels like heaven on my lips. Plus, the color payoff is insane. One swipe, and I have the radiant, luminous color that doesn't bleed. When it comes to applying these fiery reds, I like to start by defining the edges with a lip brush, especially if I'm feeling fancy and want to try that heart-shaped look. Pucker up, dolls, because we're about to slay harder than the entire Marvel universe. So, are you ready to set your style on fire this season? Whether you go satin or matte, just remember that confidence is the real key to pulling off these bold beauty trends. And you know what they say? When the world is on fire, might as well look fabulous while watching it burn.